Am I being detained? I need your supervisor. Guys, call 911 if he gets erratic. I need your supervisor down here.
A quick stop to check fuel. Just seconds, that's all. His kid sat quietly in the car, but flashing lights changed everything. One officer arrived, then another. Questions weren't answered, just echoed back. Suspicion replaced reason. And as the circle of uniforms grew tighter, so did the tension. What started as nothing turned into an all-out confrontation.
Check the fuel, how it's going, and he turned his lights on, so you hear what's going on. Hey,
Pull over.
that's none of your business. Is that illegal?
See, we drive around a closed building.
Is it illegal to be around buildings?
Are you loitering? What are you doing, Barry?
Did you just see what I was doing?
Here.
I don't answer questions, man. Now, are you arrested? Is there a reason you pulled me over?
Yeah, being suspicious. Why?
Was that a felony or a misdemeanor? It's neither. So if you don't have a reason to pull me over, sir, man,
I
am I on my
pulled
way?
you over.
Am I being detained?
Yeah.
For what? For what law?
Why are you driving around those buildings like?
Am I being detained? I need your supervisor. Guys, call 911 if he gets erratic. I need your supervisor down here now. Fort Smith's finest. Just think they can make up their own laws. They can't. We're the people. Kill my car. This guy ain't gonna waste my gas. Here he is. No reason to pull me over. And here he is. Wait, what's your name and badge number? Cassidy 4. Are you a rookie, Cassidy? Okay. Cassidy 4428. You're gonna lot out trouble for yourself, buddy. That's fine. You're hindering my day. Supervisor is outrageous, man. These guys think they make the law. They think they can do anything they want. They cannot do this. I'm doing nothing illegal. And he knows it. It's my constitutional right to not have this happen to me. And I'm gonna pursue charges against this man and against the Fort Smith police. Third time this idiot. What was the law? What do you pull me over again for, sir? For suspicion? Is that correct? Is that illegal? He has no answer because it is not illegal. It's a violation of my constitutional rights. Right here. You're witnessing it, guys. Now he's walking away from me. I'm sick of this. Fort Smith PD, they just making their own crap up. Now here we are, stuck here, while he's shining his light in my... Sir, can I help you look for something? What are you doing? I'm worried about it because I'm worried why you got us pulled over. I'm afraid. I'm in fear of my life and my children in the car. This rogue cop here trying to make his own rules up. No reason. This is unjustified. You're pulling me over for no reason. It's a violation of my constitutional rights. You can't tell me to be quiet. You be quiet. Go sit in your car. You can't bark commands at me. I'm not a dog. I'm a gosh damn human. This dude's an idiot. Yeah, I want the supervisor as quickly as possible. This guy doesn't need a job. He's a rogue cop. He thinks he can do whatever he wants. There's no reason to have me pulled over right here. He's just a nosy punk. He got no reason to pull me over. He's back there shining his light, trying to get into my personal information for no reason. Violation of my constitutional rights. You guys are witnessing it right now. Fort Smith, Arkansas. It's been this corrupt for a long time, and it's going to continue being corrupt until we can get these people out of here. They need to start a hiring process of hiring good Americans who uphold citizens' constitutional rights, not violate them like this guy. And here we are sitting here just wasting our day, food getting cold, because this cop thinks I shouldn't be pulling in or driving around, whatever he said, closed businesses. Is this place lit up? Look at this. Look how lit up this place is. I pull over, pop my hood, I check the pressure of my fuel, and we're on our way. And he throws his lights on. He goes code 1. Just nosy. Just wants to know who we are. I'm not going to tell him shit. I want the supervisor, and I'm going to call 911 if the supervisor starts acting crazy. I'll call you. I'm going to call FBI. Whatever I got to do. This is unconstitutional. And I'm here with my children. No point this whatsoever. If your supervisor is Stephen Creek, I want a different one. I'm sorry, but we're not going to be bullied by these idiots. We're the citizens. We have the rights, not these guys. They think they can do whatever they want. Pull me over for suspicion. No law against this. Put your windows down. I want to hear what he's saying. Say what he's saying. He's wasting my day. I can't believe I got to do this once a week. And they wonder why there's no tourism and no money in this city. Only money is coming from the revenues. Police steal from the citizens. Outrage. Gosh, you see him over there. Plotting out what they can get, make up whatever. Outrage. This is a third cop. Gosh, barking man's in his shut up. You serve and protect. You're not doing either constitutional right. At least, sorry, my kids. They're calling him my text. Sorry, I don't. I'm gonna be shit and terrible. As for a supervisor, assume this other guy should justice. Oh, that. I do believe that might be the super cool. And this is what happened. Pulled in to check. Here comes a fourth officer. Look at it. I pulled in to check, make sure to change. We are 1, 2, 4 cop. Here it is. I've done nothing wrong. Here I sat. Trying to find. They're over there talking about anything they can. Because it's probably Mallory. Whatever happened. A fifth cop. 5 guys. 5. Look at the 5 police. I've done nothing. Stand rights. Trolls. How bored are they? Not very well. Are you the supervisor? All right, Lieutenant. What? Young. Okay. Please not with a flashlight, my child. I'm gonna have a. All right, you don't need to see inside my vehicle. I've done nothing wrong. Look. Okay, who's your boss, man? Who? Danny Baker? All right, I want to talk with Danny Baker. Is he available? Okay. Why am I being harassed? How come I get pulled over twice a week for nothing? He said? What's he say? He pulled me over for suspicion? No. What is the? Beat around the bush. But explain it to me. I get it. Go ahead. What is it? Okay. You pulled me over. Now, what statute in Arkansas says that you have the right to pull someone over? You see him around business. How am I loitering? I pulled in. I pulled out. I checked my fuel and I moved. I pulled in, stopped it. The other one and revved it up, and it was doing good, and I kept going. Look in the back seat. I got Applebee's in the car. I went and picked up my food, man. None of your business, bro. It doesn't matter. I picked up my food. I checked my fuel pump, and I come home. No, I think what you're doing is violating my constitutional rights, man. I've done nothing wrong. Here I am surrounded by 5 cops with guns. They're look at them, whispering, talking with each other. My kid's in the car. I don't trust any any of you. And I want to go home. Now, I'm not going to identify. I've done nothing wrong. I'll tell you my name's Luke, and that's all I got. I'd like to be on my way. Does not matter. Sir, I'd like to be on my way home so I can eat my food with my children on my birthday. How long are you going to hold me up now? I'm not telling you anything else. I don't answer questions without a lawyer present. Now, if you want to get my lawyer, Coy Rush, get him down here because I'm not answering anything else. I want to go home. Yeah, I want to go home. I've done nothing wrong. You guys done bullying me and harassing and interrogating me? Because of you guys doing this to me. I've done nothing wrong. I'm sick of it. Twice a week this happened. Look, see, now it's messing up. All right, guys, our lawsuit. This is outrageous. These guys are just out of control. I'm going to go in here and look at it. Look how many cars. Just 10,000 of them, bro.
Surrounded. 5 officers, lights flashing, voices sharp. But he didn't shout. He stood his ground. His child watched from the back seat as the man demanded answers and respect. This wasn't about safety. It was about control. And even with everything against him, he chose to speak up for his dignity, for his children, and for the truth that still matters. This is another case. A father paused briefly, his children waiting quietly in the back seat. What should have been a moment of rest soon shifted. Patrol cars appeared. Officers stepped out with suspicion in their eyes. Questions followed, sharp, direct, but without clarity. Still, he remained steady, calm, focused. And with quiet strength, he asked the one thing they struggled to answer. What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I'm gonna invoke my Fifth Amendment right and not answer any more questions without my lawyer present. What crime do you suspect me of committing? What code is that?
I don't know, that's off the top of my head. Why you shake?
Because cops like to kill people.
I don't like it.
Okay. Why'd you become a cop then? I'm sure.
Driver's
No, thank you.
choice. Park, provide, and driver.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Park.
This is private property. You have a county ordinance against parking in Home Depot?
Yes.
I highly doubt that. Are you filming? Can I see your ID? That's not ID. You have to perform you have to provide me with 3 forms of identification. How do I know you're a real cop? You didn't steal that uniform from a cop you just killed. How do I know that? What's your name? Can I see a badge or an ID? You gonna show me? I mean, I don't want to move suddenly and get shot by Mr. Felon over here. What's your name? Hey, why are you walking up so close to him? Are you gonna kill that young man because he's recording for my safety? Why? What crime do you suspect him of committing? It's none of your business what we're doing. Did I stumble into Nazi Germany or?
He stood his ground without anger, without fear. Around him, the lights flashed and voices demanded control. Yet he remained centered, his children watching from the car. He asked fair questions, upheld his rights, and waited. The moment didn't escalate because of him. It escalated around him. And in that silence, surrounded by force, his calm became the strongest voice in the room. This is another case. He pulled into a quiet spot, expecting a quick break. Moments later, flashing lights surrounded him. Officers stepped in with questions and tension. He stayed calm, asked for the law, but pressure kept rising. This wasn't about parking. It was about power and his right to push back.
I do.
Can I see that?
No, because I haven't committed a traffic violation. How's that? She's not driving, I am. You don't need to verify that. I've not committed a traffic violation. You can't pull me over. I've also not committed a violation here because on your website where you posted me to go to, I looked at it, said if it's not physically posted, I cannot be held accountable. Okay, then you need to correct the website. But it says if it's not physically posted in the area where you're camping. No, wait for, can you get your supervisor? Do not put your hands on me. Get your supervisor. This right here is assault. That's technically assault.
Stand at the front of the
That's
vehicle.
technically assault.
Stand at the front of the vehicle now or you're going to get tased.
No, I'm not.
Stand
You're
at the
going to get
front of the
tased
vehicle.
because I'll take it from you and tase you with it.
Stop. Knock it off.
I don't care. She's the one breaking the law, not me. I'm trying. She won't let me. I did. That's not what it's about. You don't know what it's about. Get back in your car and leave. You're creating a scene. So was I. Thank you. For no reason. She didn't ask for your ID, did she? No, that's what I'm saying. Neither were we. But she's being a dick to me. She's demanding. No, she's not. Did she ask for your ID? She said, literally, she's going around asking you guys to put out your fire. That's what she just said. Okay, well, go get the fuck up on out of here. Yeah.
Stop.
What are you going to do for her safety? You can't even guarantee your own safety.
Sure, I'm good. He's not worth it. Yeah, I got advisor.
Trust me, if anything was going to happen, it'd been done happened. That's not what it's about. It's about my rights being violated. I know my rights. You might be okay with it, people violating your rights, but this is how tyranny starts. This is how communism. It's exactly how it starts. They start trying to take your rights away for nothing. If you're okay with it, cool. Not me.
Ma'am, if you would like to go to the bathroom or...
Okay, so then what aren't you understanding about it? Okay, I'm not talking to you. That's fine. I hope I do get arrested.
Do you have the keys?
Yeah, I do. I'll give them to you. You can give them to her. Or I can give them to her. It's up to you. Well, I don't know, because you're acting all nervous there for a minute. I know that people do some weird shit. I'm not one of them.
Okay.
I just want you to know.
Sit at the front of the
I am at the front of the vehicle.
Sit on the front of the
Dude,
vehicle.
why are you being so boss? Why can't you just be
You're
a...
not listening. That's
I don't
why.
have to listen.
You do have to
No,
listen.
you're not the boss of the world. You don't
I
just
am
say...
the boss. Everybody... All right.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
He pulled into a quiet spot, expecting a quick break. Moments later, flashing lights surrounded him. Officers stepped in with questions and tension. He stayed calm, asked for the law, but pressure kept rising. This wasn't about parking. It was about power and his right to push back.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more video to add Inspector Nurse.